How to create a list on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a list on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here. Now you will find many options here. Choose the lists option. Now as you can see here, you will find your lists, and if you want to create one, all what you have to do is go down and click on this little option. Now as you can see, choose the name of your list, for example football, and click create, and it's created successfully. As you can see, now you can add to your list and click done. Now I just added those to my list. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.